What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the lowest positive integer. Okay, so I've got Visual Studio 2022 console app open here, and our problem statement is find the lowest positive integer not contained within an array, a given array of integers. So I have an array here. These negatives and the zero are totally inconsequential. We're just going to be worried about positive integers. Looking at this array, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our lowest integer not present in that array is going to be the number 5. So let's see how we can implement that. I need a method that's going to return integer. So static int and find lowest. And I'm just going to pass in my array. So I need something to compare the array to. So what I'm going to do is create a hash set. Of integer, and I can pass my array into that. So essentially what I'm going to be doing is looping through the array and, um, you know, for each index, not index of the array, but for my variable index, we're just going to check and see if the set actually contains that number. So I need to go less than equal to array.length. And so all I need to do is check my hash set. If not, set dot contains. You see how it's suggesting array I? That's incorrect. We just want to test for I and simply return I. And we returned default or 0. Now we're ready to test this. So console dot writeLine. We use string interpolation, so the myths are the lowest. Int is find lowest positive int, pass my array, and let's fire this up. Control F5. The lowest positive int is 5. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do here is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'm going to change this to a 5, and I'm going to change this to a 6. So now we expect our result to be 7. Control F5. And I just wanted to test that because that's an edge case. So the next thing I wanted to point out, you might not always be working with an array. So what I'm going to do is comment this code. First of all, I'm going to copy this method and then comment out all of this code. So let's say you were working with a list of integer, instead of an array. Okay, so that gave me 1, 2, and 3. So let's say 1, 2, 3, and 5. So now we would expect our result to be 4. Okay, but we can't use this. We can't pass this list into this method. So what I want to do is rewrite this to accept, and this would also work with an array, by the way. I'm going to just use an I collection here of integer, and we'll call it collection. Now I'm just going to pass that to my hash set. And instead of collection.length, we're going to say collection.count. And now I can essentially grab this writeLine here. Instead of array, I'm going to pass my list and control F5. And the lowest positive int is 4. Now I can also do it with my original array. So we expected that one was going to be, I think, 7. So the lowest positive int is 7. So it worked with the array as well. And as a matter of fact, this would work with an IList or any collection, anything that implements the iCollection interface. Um, so that concludes today's challenge. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.